Hello guys, Saf here. Most of you know about Galactica AI and its controversy. Let's try to understand it in a bit detail. Is it really a dangerous or just hype the fear of harm? On 15th of November, Meta announced a new AI software called Galactica, a large language model that can store, combine and reason about scientific knowledge. However, just 2 days after the release, company take it down due to controversy. Well, let's first understand what is the special about Galactica AI. Galactica is a large language model for science which trained on 48 million scientific papers, 2 million code documents, 8 million reference material, and many more different type of document. That is, a total of about 106 billion tokens were used by a dataset. This makes it the first AI model which is capable to write white paper, reviews, Wikipedia pages, code, summarize academic lecture, solve mathematical equation and many more. However, it knows how to cite and how to write equation. Let's see a few examples that Meta released it. One can enter the prompt for virtually any subject and AI will prepare articles and explainers on the topic easily. If you choose to hit the generate more button at the bottom of the screen, Galactica will keep adding more content to your document. This same task would human take much longer depending on the length of document. By adding the right prompts, one can generate entire research paper from scratch. This will come with references and formulas that are intrinsic to academic writing. Well, things are look really impressive, but here the controversy arises. Galactica is able to generate quite good content of lecture notes, document, code, etc., whereas it is not accurate. Many scientists report misleading or wrong information generated by Galactica. One of the known scientists, Michael Black, director of Max Planck Institute, reported on Twitter on some biased or wrong document generation. Actually, he did a few experiments to test Galactica, on which Galactica made up a fictitious paper and associated GitHub repo. Things get heightened up when Galactica tries to generate garbage content on harmful social issues. Like a researcher asked to generate text on benefit of eating crushed glass. And Galactica readily generates toxic and nonsensical content dressed up in the measured and authoritative language of science, where it contains all kinds of positive statements including study details, livestock trials and chemical explanation. Galactica is also not able to generate text on certain topics like racism, AIDS, queer theory, etc. And they simply responded with message, sorry, your query didn't pass our content filter. Try again and keep in mind this is a scientific language model. It seems like it has been forced to avoid some debatable topics. Whereas Meta already warned on the reliability and truthfulness of document generated by Galactica. When you come to the Galactica website, click on mission, come down to the bottom. Here it defines the 3 limitations of Galactica. First, there is no guarantee of truthful or reliable output from language model. Second, generated text may be biased. And third is, generated text appear authentic, but you need to check the technical aspect of the text. Apart from this limitation and shortfall, a major concern about Galactica is that it makes it easier to produce fake and fraudulent scientific papers in a few clicks. That sounds scientifically correct and real. And it is also very hard to detect unless you have a strong grasp of that field. Galactica also not wrong all the time, but it frequently generates text which is not grounded to real fact. That's enough to make you double check the text that it provides instead of accepting them blindly. We already see some of the best AI tools like DALI 2 and GitHub Copilot, where GitHub Copilot is also based on large language model and it is quite effective as well. So it doesn't mean we dismiss the Galactica for its shortfalls. Models like Galactica can be extremely powerful and a great step in the field of AI, but it needs to be more factual and grounded to real facts. According to my opinion, it is a great step toward the future of AI. But when it comes to building language models that generate more factually accurate output, the technical path forward is not yet clear. That's all from my side. For queries or any doubt, please leave a comment below. See you in next video.